Hey there, internet friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the hottest health tips and tricks. Today, we have a special episode that you need to pay attention to because it's all about your kidneys. Yep, those little bean-shaped organs that work tirelessly to keep you healthy. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 5 signs that your kidneys might be in trouble. Sign number 1, frequent trips to the bathroom. Now, we all need to pee. But if you find yourself rushing to the restroom more often than usual, it could be a sign that your kidneys are not functioning optimally. Pay attention to changes in your urination habits, such as increased frequency or reduced urine output. Sign number 2, swollen ankles and feet. Have you noticed any unexplained swelling in your lower extremities? Well, it could be a signal from your kidneys. When your kidneys aren't working as they should, they may struggle to eliminate excess fluids, leading to fluid retention and puffiness. Sign number 3, changes in urine color. Your urine can actually reveal a lot about your kidney health. Keep an eye on the color of your pee. If it's consistently dark or foamy, it's time to get it checked out. Healthy urine should be a pale yellow color. Remember, staying hydrated is key. So make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to keep your kidneys happy and functioning optimally. Sign number 4, fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired and sluggish even after a good night's sleep. Your kidneys might be to blame. When your kidneys aren't filtering waste products effectively, toxins can build up in your body, leading to fatigue and weakness. Maintaining a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help support your kidney function. Don't forget to limit your salt intake too, as excessive sodium can put a strain on these vital organs. And finally, sign number 5, high blood pressure. Kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. If your blood pressure is consistently elevated, it may be an indication of kidney problems. It's essential to monitor your blood pressure regularly and consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Exercise regularly, manage stress, and maintain a healthy weight to help keep your blood pressure in check and support your overall kidney health. So, there you have it, folks. 5 signs that your kidneys might not be functioning as they should. Remember, if you notice any of these signs, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Take care.